Double for the green flapper, blue and yellow got 20 and 20 time. Let's double it. Double soda. It's a double again. Woohoo! Double. Wow, it's a double.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
6,378 winners. Well, let's hope that's true. I guess yesterday you couldn't find me, yeah. Guys, last thing is place the bet. Last big win, it was 2,500x. Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? I don't know what I was doing for real. So next and crazy down from a top slot. Can't remember what I did. Well, let's hope that tomorrow you're not gonna be this lost. What? Oh, my days. Oh, my nights. Let's go. Hello there, guys. Welcome. Well. Here we are in the crazy town world, and we got something crazy going on. A 7x multiplier from the top slot. Come on. Please be good to us. Real, I love you. Crazy time, I love you. I hope you love us too. Alright, decision time is here, guys. You have to decide, is it gonna be yellow, blue, or green flapper? Come on, last second, guys. I wish everybody best of luck, and the highest multiplier for this spin is 700x. Woo! Good luck to all of you. Wow. A double on the green flapper. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, guys, that's gonna be a 1,400x is the highest multiplier for the green flapper. Good luck to all of you. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,473,371 euros.
Hello. Welcome back, guys. More than 11,000 winners. Are you happy, guys? We got 700x on the green flapper. Aw, this was very nice. I'm not gonna lie. This was very nice indeed. All right, good luck.
Amazing top slot winning. Second is a new round, so place your bets. Take a spin. Come on, top slot, something big. Number 10 with a 25x. Darling, come on. No, jump.
This is the amount of money issued: 172,310 euros.
Please place your bets and wish your best. I'll like hit the next round. Let's go. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, bets are closed. Good luck. Also cash on with 2x. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, that's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one. That's a cash hand with 2x multiplier from top side. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, maximum multiplier.
multiplier is 1000x. Wow. We have a 1000x here. Yes. You need to choose pick or shoot one of the symbols. If you don't pick, there will be auto pick for you. So decide which one is better option for you. Now decision time. Take your time. Choose one of the symbol. Yep, I am choosing this rabbit. Let's see what I will get. Now final seconds for you. Let's see the multiplier.
This is the amount of money issued 30,082 euros.
Oh, here we go. We have 100,000x. I mean, we have 15 players with 1000x in total.
Next one, there we go. Let us keep on going on. Cash on with F5. Let's stop. I got way too many friends. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, cash on 5x. Come on, let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful cash on 5x right here. Let's enjoy it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's lock it down. Now let's pentuple everything, yeah? Okay. Oh, that looks beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum multiplier is 500, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck to you with a cash hunt right here. That's a beautiful win, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, we start the cash hunt. You mix them all. We hide the multipliers. We're gonna mix them all up like it's a milkshake, ladies and gentlemen. And then that is gonna be your time too. You know what to do? You know. You're gonna need to shoot it up, ladies and gentlemen. Please select one of the targets and hit it. And shoot it. The time is gonna be selected randomly. And I wish you all the best of luck on hitting the 500x, of course. I choose this marshmallow. It's not marshmallow. It's a cupcake. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 47,930 for euros.
It's somewhere. Oh, there's the... Congratulations to all the winners, especially those who got the 500x. And let's get back to the wheel. There it is. I found it. So bets are open, place your bets. Congratulations. What a beautiful win. 821 winners. Bets are open, place your bets. Let's keep going, shall we? So, best close like to you. And let's keep going. Very nice, still. With that, of course, congratulations to all winners. Shin, you're at the top. Of course, betting time is open again. Don't forget those bets, and as always, welcome. Welcome to everyone that have just joined the game. I wish you all the best luck in this game of Crazy Time A. Yes, indeed, Crazy Time A, where lots and lots of crazy things happen. Alright. That's a ridiculous ratio. I mean, it is what it is, Faith. It is what it is. What can I say? Ooh, cash hunt with a 5x. Can we get that, I wonder? That would be nice. That would be pretty awesome to see. So come on, cash hunt, show me the money, baby. Is it, maybe? Come on, stop, don't go to one. Ladies and gentlemen, would you look at that? The second spin of the session, and bam. That's a cash hunt with a 5x multiplier. Let's go. Hello there. Good to see you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the game of Cash Hunt. Ooh, it's so good to see it. Holy moly. We got a 500x right there. So, we're going to multiply everything by 5 times, of course. Just like that. Here we go. That's what I like to see. So now, max multiplier is 2,500x right there. Let's go. That's what I like to see. Wow. 2.5k, huh? Well, hopefully you can catch it. We have lots of targets to choose from here, but maybe you'll hit it right. Who knows? Now, can we do a little stop? Alright, here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn to pick a target. Pick whichever target you like. And if you won't pick it up, it will be automatically picked up for you. As for me, since I love bunnies so much, I'm going to pick this bunny right there. Let's see what you will get. Let's see what I would get as well.
This is the amount of money issued 139,711 euros.
0.5k, I don't really see it here. It's somewhere then. So, congratulations to the winners. Let's go back to the game. Booyah! Alright then. We're back, ladies and gentlemen, after another round. And wow, what a start to this session, what can I say? Cash on with a 5x, bam, we got it. So,
top slot. When crazy time, I don't know when it happens, but it happens. And this time, I think we are not gonna get some crazy time, but at least we got a Pachinko then. Ooh, the mustache trick worked. Once again. Mustache power, baby. Yahoo! Adios. work. My legs tend to not work sometimes, so yeah. Alright, ooh, a lot of doubles, and we have it to 200x. Now that is a big opportunity to get 1,000,000x or something. Yeet. Alright, go double and then maybe 800. Go, 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 go. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Alright, we got a double. 400, and we have 100 right there. Go on another double? Possibly. Go on to 400, baby. Get.
This is the amount of money issued, 368,973 euros.
Demi, and 4 on the top of the list. Oh, I see your DJ party time. Yeah. You saw my DJ party? Wait, where? Alright, bets and outposts. But yes, I do DJ a lot. 2XO number 2. Maybe the next month we will have another gig. Go crazy. Is that a crazy time I see? Is that a really crazy time? Yo, that's crazy. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Открываю дверь. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you have 3 colors. That's gonna be the green, blue, or the yellow color. Your choices. Pick wisely, baby. Pick wisely. Alright. Oh, the 100x is the biggest one. Let's get it. Fly on the wings of love. Fly, baby, fly. And boom, we got a double for the yellow, and 20x for the green, 25x for the blue. So there goes the double, and it's going to be the 200x. That's going to be the biggest one. Yeah. Alright, partners. Ooh, another double. Okay. That's what I like to see. Well, that is going crazy. Now, the biggest one is going to be a 400x, huh? Well, that's a good push. Oh no, I messed up my jacket.
This is the amount of money issued, 136,157 euros.
See, Border. Oh, wait, 400x on the yellow? Wait, yo, that is crazy. 25x for the blue, 20x for the green, and 400x for the yellow. 2,614 winners. Yo, that's crazy. Well, now that's crazy. That's what I love to see. Man, 400x. We got a 400x on it.
Come on, Flapper. Can be. There we go, everyone. Finally, it's crazy time. Let's go for it. I'm so happy. Look at that. Look at that. It's crazy time. Let's open the red door. Welcome everyone to Crazy Time. The one and only Crazy Time. The biggest deal of Crazy Time itself. Time to choose your favorite flapper. Green, blue, yellow. And most of the people are going for blue flapper, the most popular. So, the highest multiplier on the wheel is 100x. Let's double the fun. Wow, that's a double for the green flapper. Blue and yellow got 20 and 25x. Let's double it. So the highest is 200x on the wheel, and let's double one more time. Wow, one more time. Let's double it. Double for the green flapper. And now it's gonna be how much it can be. So the highest is 400x. One more double. Let's go. There we go. It's a double again. Woohoo! And now how much? The highest on the wheel is 800x. Let's double it. It's a double. Wow, it's a double once again. One 1,600x on the wheel, and what's next? Let's double it. Woohoo! It's a double again. And now everyone, 3,200x on the wheel. Let's double the fun. Woohoo!
This is the amount of money issued 343,897 euros.
Woohoo! 1,600x for the crazy time green flapper. That's a 1,600x for the...
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.